Hello everyone, very nice to meet all of you here in this video. So in today's video I'm gonna bring you to one of the very remote village, which is ET, and it's very far away from here. I'm gonna bring you for about 80 kilometers away from Sapa town to go to ET. So ET is a very isolated village, and it's very far away, and the journey to get there is also very tricky and very, just like winding road, and the road is very narrow and sometimes it's chocolate block. The first our destination will be the very interesting place that is local people say that is a dragon waterfall, and we are on the way to get there, so let's hit the road. Okay, so now we are in the daily market in EP, and what we're gonna do now is to buy some kind of meat. We're gonna do the barbecue in the waterfall, so we gotta buy some coal and also chicken and beef and pork. Yeah. Okay, let's see what can we get here. This is a daily market in here. If you are coming on Sunday, it means tomorrow. So this market gonna be very crowded, but today is not the day. All the fried cakes, deep fried, as you can see in the back, which is very oily. I'm not sure if it will fit with us. We decided to buy some kind of cakes. Yeah, even though they are very oily. I'm not sure we can take a lot of that. I just don't want to spoil my appetite, because later on we're supposed to have a delicious lunch in the waterfall with the chickens and things. By the way, they make the cakes is very engaging. Look like the mouth watering. Hopefully it's good as it looks. We are buying 2 chickens, and we let the owner of the chicken gonna clean up the chicken for us, so that we don't need to touch. Now the girls in the group want to eat more pork. Nhưng mà từ từ ra đây con này nhìn nó bạc. Nhìn nó không được tươi lắm. Everything is settled down, and yeah, it's very good. So it seems so good so far. Now it's in the middle of the day, and we're supposed to have lunch in the middle of the day, but I'm afraid that the time gonna a little bit delayed. Vietnam, this is the typical way we sell the meat on the street. Everything is placed on the table, and you even see the flies. Yeah. And we try not to waste anything, even the intestine of the pigs. So what you see is liver and kidneys and everything.
Cái này bao tiền 1 cân ạ? 100 em ơi. Cái này nhá.
Yeah, this is very weird, right? Okay, so now we decided to buy some kind of greens and veggies here. They look very fresh, and Okay, so that's the thing we cannot miss. Okay, we have cabbages here, and corn, and a lot of the other things. Yeah, very colorful. I'm sure you can get anything here in this market. This market is very tiny, but it's very colorful. This is how she cleaned up the chicken. Just in 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. Oh, wow. really interesting. And I can say this is kind of, you know, typical Vietnamese kind of method of doing up the chicken. Okay, so after this process, all the chicken will be marinated. So we have to marinate, and after that we keep driving from here to the waterfall. Roughly about 1.5 hours. After that, the chicken will be well marinated. Okay, so what she's doing now is to massage the chicken and part. Okay, it's quite cake. I'm not sure what is the ingredient inside the spices that she added to the chicken. I'm not really sure. But it looks really good. After 30 minutes waiting for the chickens and everything to be marinated, we now keep going to the car, and yeah, the journey is still about 35 to 40 minutes roughly, yeah, from here to get to the waterfall. So please watch my YouTube until the end of the video. Thank you very much. Now we are heading to the waterfall, and the journey to get there is still very long. It's about 1.5 kilometers more, but the road turns to be very difficult condition, so we can't go there with our car. So we gotta take the motorbike taxi from local people. But unfortunately, they blush their face. I mean, their faces are blush because of the rice wine just now they took. Okay, so I'm a little bit confused. Yeah. In the middle of nowhere. Okay, so let me show you the view. Okay, so this is in the middle of nowhere, as I mentioned earlier. Hello. Okay, it's beautiful. Yeah, so we are going there. This is not my first time here in this village, to be honest. Yeah, this is my second time, but my first time was very long time ago already. So I don't really remember the way to get here. That's the reason why I need a driver who is experienced, who have been here before, so that they can show us the way and what to do in here. The local people living here, they are the Hmong people. They speak Hmong language, which is completely different with what I'm speaking. So to communicate with them is, you know, it's not a piece of cake. Hey. Okay, that's a service from local people. They take the tourists to go to the waterfall without walking, and for one time like that it's about 40,000 Vietnam dong. Yeah, it's reasonable, and that's also the good way to support them. But I just don't want to support them by giving too much money. Otherwise, in the next time the tourists coming, maybe they could want more, but I have no idea. Okay, I'm so excited to get there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I know it's gonna be very dangerous, but let's try.